Today we're going to make a unique Jungle Bird Riff by Ivy Mix, the Jungle Slow Cruise. Let's start with a ½ ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/4 ounce of Demerara Syrup, 1/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup, we're using Liquid Alchemist, a ½ ounce of Campari, a ½ ounce of Cognac, we're using Remy Martin, 1/4 ounce of Blackstrap Rum, we're using Cruzan, a ½ ounce of Overproof Jamaican rum, we're going to use Rum Bar, and finally an ounce of aged Jamaican rum. Ivy recommends Appleton. Alright, let's pour this into our shaker, add a couple of ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate, and now it's shaking time. We're going to serve this in a Collins glass filled with crushed ice. Now just strain it in. Look at that color. I'm going to garnish this with a pineapple wedge and a couple of fronds. And there it is, Jungle Slow Cruise, a true journey of complex flavors worth making at home. Enjoy.